Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlord Umkhokha the curse indeed is just showing us flames. All right. Umkhandlo is deliberating, right? Discussing the issue Yakasibahle noSibusiso. In their deliberation, they are thinking of all the things that Undlovu did that upset Umkhululi, not Umkhululi, their god, right? Umthembu, and ended up making him to be on a wheelchair. So they feel ukuthi if they help with the lobola, then they will be enabling Loputilo, right? Undlovu. While enabling Undlovu, then they are scared to say, what if Umkhokha manje ugadla kithi? What if Umkhokha ungena emizini yethu one by one? Baze balanda nomlando ukuthi niyakhumbula ukuthi noSibusiso naye bekanjani? uSibusiso naye bekangozi ahefarleki ayenza izinto zenzeke a lawyer strong. So ebuloyeni bakhe, ebuthakathini bakhe wayenzani? Wayenza sure ukuthi uMamzobe uphatha ibandla ngesikhwama into wrong. So basahleli lapho ungena imessage ting imessage hayi ngithi imessage into encane. Imessage ithini? Ithi na ilocation kaMamzobe. Buza ukuthi bayithole kanjani ilocation kaZobilishas. Alright, bayithole ka so uMamzobe atshela uGabisile ukuthi uGabisile akafonele uLwazi, atshele uLwazi eze, and then atshele uLwazi ukuthi angatsheli umuntu. Okay, Lwazi did exactly that. Aze makafika uLwazi ajikele uGabisile uMamzobe athi Lwazi uzothatha uGabisile uhambe naye. Reason is Gabisile, I don't want your child to grow up like owami umlungisi. Umlungisi grew up angamazi ubabakhe because of mina the way bengicastwe ngakhona out of the community. So now I'm pleading with you to go le galokhunja kaSifociya uyohlala kaSifociya and then umntwana nimkhulise lapho together. Hayi vele bekasithuki uLwazi, but because uLwazi uyamthanda uGabisile, low key, even if he's upset with all the truth that he just learned, hayi uGuy vele took uGabisile and then they left together. However, this is the thing, makafika lapho umama khona wamopressa wamothreatenisha ngescripture. Girl quoted all the scriptures that would make one reveal all the secrets that are necessary to be revealed. Hayi uGuy vele folded akhipha iphiri. Send the location. Uma cimba ke send the location operation inkwaso. Sifoqiya maphalala bani ba ngithi umkhandlo wonke uphethe location. Naba bayagijima. Uphakathwayo naye wants to run to the location angisho ukuthi bahambe fast. uGuy withdrew enough money so that Yena and the wife can go away so that they will not be able to face the wrath yakamthembu. Also, they will not the wife will not be able to face the punishment from the church. Hayi maka thuyaphuma phakathwayo now abantu egate ngaphakathwayo bathi uzomkhipha uMamzobe, sizwile ukuthi namaJudiya wonke lawo uzomkhipha uMamzobe, uzomkhipha. Hayi ahambe, hayi aphume the waphuma ngakhona ahambe athi uyorescue ubani uMamzobe. Makafika lapha sebafikile umkhandlo sekuyisiphithiphithi. uManzimande naye sekaboniswa ivideo, uGirl sekakujunjulayi ukuthi hey, I must be in that place, I must be the one ongizibambela yona mathupha. Afike ke azibambele, afuna ukuzibambela yena mathupha. Makafika lapho isiphithiphithi akwazi ukuqabanga, enhloko ebatshela ukuthi thulani, I need to think, like I literally need to think. Hayi I think ke emthinkeni wakhe asazi ukuthi iaction ithini. Kukuthi uzamcolo makabuya afika umkhuzile athi Girlings ngicela udlalele kude nale situation, ngicela udlalele kude nalesimo. Ireason engithi dlalela kude nalesimo ukuthi uMamzobe i-eye for an eye asifuni. That's number 1. Number 2, I don't want to be like her. I don't want you to be like her. I don't want you to mimic her. I don't want you to do the things that she did. You are a good woman, so that's not what I want. What's it? Did she unalive your husband? This woman is your husband when your wife unalived, or is your wife well and kicking? Hi, wifey, well and kicking here. Yes, Briga and Shayu, shut up. Mina, right now, I'm fighting for my husband. I'm fighting for my family. Guys, abona ukuthi vele uSiphamandla vele like I don't know where was Siphamandla. All of a sudden Siphamandla is nowhere to be found. Nomabusi, and they just came back, right? They should be busy celebrating in the bedroom, doing adult stuff, so that yeah man, they've been away for a while, but no, they're not doing that. Buza ukuthi bakuphi, angazi nami, ungibuza nje nami anye ngikwazi ukukutshela ukuthi beka bakuphi, ukuthi bakwazi ukuvimba lo mama lo uManzimande from running and going laphayana. Guys, uManzimande, she is so livid. I think ukuthi right now the grave that they wanted to do, they are gonna do it right there. Like ngibona kahle ukuthi lethuna leli uManzimande alifuna high and low ngaphansi kwamatafule bay under the tafel lizoyenziwa kuphi khona laphayana. Alright, afike athi usafuna ukuqabanga kanti nophakathayo uzofika. Fikiyani uphakathayo, sengimangele mina ukuthi kwenzakalani ke manje. Shuthi uphakathayo uzoba uChuck Norris. Phela you never know with these storylines. Umuntu angaba namanye amandla nawo oqala ukuwabona ukuthi umuntu angaba nawo. So I was like, hey, Chuck Norris moves we are going to see. Phakathayo ahlike nenduku. Hawu, ushiyo thura mulamu. Kamulamu nyana oyiranga mulamu because mulamu ka sebula imoto, mulamu ka chicken imoto and yena ko 1. Phela yena I 1 by 100 angeke ba slice. Akusumbhoro lo. Alright sharp. Hayi, ahlike uphakathayo ubheke uManzimande. Uyabona ukuthi yabona la, this is a dangerous territory. If I dare show my face, I will be in trouble. So Ugai did not show his face. But what happened ukuthi uGabisile got the video of what was happening. Ugai lo, but man, Ulwazi pleaded with her, please do not open the video. Please do not open the video. Gabisile opened the video. Yo, guys, like uGabisile makavula video, uyabona ukuthi what? My mom is under attack. uGabisile now is panicking. uGabisile now is stressed. uGabisile is threatening. Ulwazi ukuthi if you do not move, I am going to beat you up. I'm going to deal with you. What did you do, Lwazi? I then Lwazi explained ukuthi no, my mother cornered me, and because she cornered me so hard, I couldn't refuse. I was forced to tell. Guys, wish. This is the end of uMaMzobe. The time has come for uMaMzobe to be punished, and I am not ready. I don't want uMaMzobe to be punished. I am ipici ola vela sinang backbone at this point. Kuhlola uMaMzobe botlhoko ke nyokolla ke lele uMaMzobe nna o ne ke re uMaMzobe aka Jesus. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not ready for the end, but yeah. The storyline is sadly coming to an end. Please do let me know ukuthi wena uqabangani. Do you think ukuthi uMaMzobe deserves to be unalived and meet with her ancestors, or do you believe ukuthi like uSibusiso, MaMzobe still has a chance to repent, and repent for that matter in truth and in spirit? This is your girl Disebo D. Please do like, share and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.